You need to hear this if you're obsessed with weird animal facts. Ever heard of a koala causing trouble for detectives? Yeah, it's possible. Koalas have fingerprints so close to ours, even forensic experts can't tell them apart under a microscope. That means, in theory, a koala could leave prints at a scene and totally confuse investigators. Their whorls look just like human ones. Their ridges look just like human ones. Pretty wild for a cuddly little tree hugger, right? Next time you see a koala, remember, those paws are hiding a secret worthy of a true crime podcast. Want more weird animal science? Hit follow for more.